Hello everyone, it's your host CodeCrafter. Today we are diving into the world of data manipulation with the Pandas. Get ready to unlock the power of Pandas as we tackle the LeetCode SQL 50 challenge. Let's get started.
On today's video, we are going to solve problem number 595, finding big countries using Pandas. So they have defined a table with columns of name, continent, area, population, and GDP. So they specified the data which is corresponding to the column. And what is the problem they have given? Write a solution to find out name, population, and area of the big countries. How big countries are defined here? So if you see, area, it will be at least 3 million square kilometers, and the population need to be at least 25 million. So let's see the example. You'll get an idea about it. So on this input example, they have given a table with its columns and the 5 rows they mentioned it. So what is the first condition they mentioned? Area need to be at least 3 million. So is there any column, is there any row which is more than 3 million? I don't think so. So these are just 2 million and 1 million. So what is the second condition they mentioned? They interlinked with or. So I hope everyone knows the meaning of or. So if you see the second condition, population need to be at least 25 million. So the population, if you see, Afghanistan has more than 25 million population, and Algeria has more than 25 million population. So that's the output we got. So let's try to code it. On this, I'm just creating a resulting data frame. I'm storing that value to that. So what is the table name? World table with the, what is the condition we have? We have 2 conditions, right? So let me select the conditions one by one. World of, what is the first condition? Area need to be at least how much? 3 million. Or what is the second condition? We use or condition like this on Pandas. And what is the second condition we have? World need to be at least, population need to be at least 25 million. So I'm just selecting that population and at least, right? So 25 million. So we have resulted the data frame, but what is the condition they have given? A solution to find out name, population, and area. I have to select the columns only. So I'm just returning the data frame with result df, and inside that we have to select columns, specific columns. What is the first name, population, right? So let me select the population also. And what is the next one? It's area. So let me run the code. Yeah, our solution got accepted. Let me submit it. Yeah, we successfully done well. So that's it for this.
That's it for today's Pandas LeetCode solution. Want more? Don't forget to check out the links for SQL and PySpark. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video.